Hi guys, welcome back to Tereza's Choice Kitchen. You can try cake, but that I don't know if it will work. Let's do this again, shall we? All right. Hi guys, welcome back to Tereza's Choice Kitchen. Today we're making granola, but not your typical day-to-day granola. We're making granola that we're gonna blend up into a flour-like consistency. Why? Because then we can add it to our smoothies or make porridge with it, make pancakes with it. We'll just need to add an egg or a banana if you're vegan, and that's your batter. And we can just use it as is and serve it up with some yogurt or coconut yogurt or any kind of fruit. And then top it with some peanut butter and jelly if you want to. The ingredients are very basic, so whatever you have in your pantry, either it's sunflower seeds, flax seeds, nuts, any kind, hazelnuts, almonds, oats, and I have coconut sugar here. You can swap this with some dried fruit, so dates, apricots, or just leave it out if you don't want any sugar in your breakfast. So any kind of spices as well, vanilla, cinnamon, I'm using coconut as well, and that's about it. Let's get started. First, add 100 grams of roasted hazelnuts to your food processor, 50 grams of mixed seeds, 500 grams oats, 100 grams of desiccated coconut, and lastly, 50 to 100 grams of coconut sugar, depending on how sweet you want it. Blend until flour-like consistency. And that's it. Super easy and handy for your daily breakfast. Transfer to an airtight glass container and use it for different recipes. For pancakes, you will need 4 big spoonfuls of the granola, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of almond milk. For a vegan batter, add a mashed banana instead of the egg. Mix and cook on a pan. For a warm porridge, simply add 200 milliliters of plant-based milk and 50 grams of granola to a pot. Cook for 5 minutes until thick and creamy. For a very special topping, caramelize a banana on both sides for 3 minutes and serve it with a good chocolate peanut butter. The third option is simply serving the granola with some Greek or coconut yogurt, sliced berries, or any other seasonal fruit. All right, we have 3 breakfasts in front of us. Well, me, not you yet. But I have to try this. I don't know which one to try first. They look amazing. I'll go with the yogurt one. Let's see, let's see. Very summery and light, refreshing. On to the next one, porridge. Oh, this chocolate will win my heart. And the caramelized banana. Oh my God, this is the best porridge. Hazelnuts are key in this granola. Okay, next up, pancakes. Yum. I'll have to eat all of this. It's my job, and I love it.